กันลงต้องมีเดียนเทียมหนึ่งโอเคร้องคัดนักอาการวักเปียกดีตัวจ้ามาสินะคันบิฮานักตะเตกันเป็นไงท่าละกันเป็นทอกก็แล้วกันมันเต้ Miss Partichin Song What are you planning to study in college and why
High school di in study din katim mi cho law lay ase arwang cho kan lai mi ne kan chanbaw nak abik cho law lay he ase tekarwa kalom
Thank you, Miss Monica Ramnalali. What is your favorite food to cook and why?
My favorite food to cook would have to be instant ramen noodles. As I am a broke college student, and it's the most convenient food to cook. Thank you.
Vậy lại hỏi khá thấy lộ men tầm tục trả khăn mấy răng hỏi lên cái vấn hơn nặng nà sẽ ra cái ngày thiểm cầu akan giàu từ lại phải akan giàu từ giống Miss Mary you love spending time with your family and friends why do you think it's important to spend time with your family and friends
I personally believe that spending time with family and friends is very important because they're the people in our life who know us more than anyone else. They help and support us in whatever it is that we do, and even if that means getting lectured for hours and hours, it is only because they love and want what's best for us. Thank you.
Right. Miss Annie Silhei Song, you love helping people. If you won $10,000, how would you use that money to help people?
Kalom, $10,000 e henga ninglo, kan simi pun hoi asimi plewa, la kura kapitaw nakruanga, harnak atonge, roll 80 nok ngay lawin, him nakola tin pang thalawin o umin ha. Chingram tanga kwa sa min ha he, bom dingin kurwa pa kami ase, malay zonga kasidutha ngan pise, kalom.
Okay, Miss Monica Parr, if you are to write poems that will be published by a well-known company, what poem would you write about and why?
If I were to write a poem published for a well-known company, I would write about anything that pleases, compels, or moves me. Be it nature, the super show, the Chin culture, family and friends. I would do this because poetry is a form of self-expression and it's exuded through emotions and the beauty you see in every little thing. Thank you.
Miss Srinempar can you tell us more about the research that you did about the Lao-Tu communities what motivated you to do this research
Thank you so much for the questions. Even though Luto Vow has been developed in 1959 by Reverend Barrick, our Luto orthography is not widely used by Luto people across the world. That made me want to do something about it. That's what made me start the research. And with the help of my mentors and my professors, I was able to translate 4 Luto children's books, and I was able to distribute that over 300 copies of them were distributed at Luto event that was held in 2019. I was also able to author 4 different Luto children's books, and so far this has been the most fulfilling and the most rewarding experience because I'm serving a purpose that is higher than myself. Thank you so much.
All right, Miss Paris Songboy, you are currently studying neuroscience. Why did you choose to study neuroscience?
Biana kalmia thatok kema hi kazum naka kema hi ka nikhat khada katin mi chu si boy si hi ase matik a minung kan thwak hi kampum cho chak nak a atham bik ase minung kampum thaifya na ding cha chun kan thwak hi thaifya masati he kazum cha hen neuroscience hi chona ka chimi si chulong selo in ma ka thai mi in hen kan ching community zonga atha bik in rian ka chwan lai lunglom nak tam pi kanai
Miss Vantapar, one of your major is psychology. How can you help the Chin community with that major?
Nakahami chunga kailom psychology chu pum le thlok chon nak ase le kan community cha ka du mi chu mental health awareness kha depression ที่เปิดไงบรรทุกจ้าคันได้ติดตา awareness กันตัวคนละอันนู้นเลยป้าเซ่ชุ่มขาเลยห้อยเลยตีเลยจงเซ่ชุ่มขัดเลยจงเซ่อัมมาสิ่งคันได้ติดตา support กันเปียกนาละท่าจังกันเปียกคนนักเลยตีค่ะกัน community จงจงเปียกกระดูกไกลอง
All right, thank you so much, ladies. Let's clap for them one more time. All right, thank you. Now you may exit the stage.
中看漂那呀。